Good evening to everyone. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Sohail Rana, and I am standing right now on the open field. And I am honored to be here with my friend, all friend. Today we have come together to break our fast. It's iftar party. It's fasting party, Department of English, and reflect on our blessing. And I share this beautiful moment and I share this beautiful evening as a community. Iftar is not just about food, it's about gratitude, compassion, and unity. And Ramadan month is a special month for the Muslim community. And I captured this beautiful moment through this video. Keep watching this beautiful moment of ours. Let's watch this video.